Today, I will be teaching you how to play 3 fundamental chords on the guitar. The first chord is the C chord, which just goes like this, so just like that. The second chord that we're learning is the G chord, which is like this. And the easiest one is E minor. Okay, so before we get started playing the guitar, your left hand has 5 fingers with your right hand. I mean, you'll strum with your right hand, but you play the chords with your left hand. And forget that you have a thumb. You don't play with your thumb, so joke's on you, you only have 4 fingers. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So when I'll be teaching you guys how to play the chords, I'll be saying you put your first, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you'll always just be using those. And that's, just remember that, and that'll help you learn your chords later, or sometime. And the second part is how to hold the guitar. This right here, all of this, is called the neck. This is the body, I guess. I think. Start with, before we start with it. So there are 6 strings on the guitar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. These 2, top and bottom, are the same. E. So 1, 2, so this is 1. So this one right here is 1, and this here is 5. Sorry, 6. What? 1 and 6. And so this is E. This is A. This is D. This is G. This is B. And then we end with E. Okay, so there's that. All right, let's get started. We're gonna play the C chord. So again, it's like this. It should sound like that when we're first finished. So what you're gonna do is take your first finger, which is this one, and you're gonna stick it on the 5th string, right here. And stick it on the 5th string here. And because remember, this is 6, because this is 1. And you stick your first finger on the 2nd fret. Right here, this right here is a fret. These lines are frets. And you're gonna stick your first finger right here. Right there. That's your first one. C is kind of the most challenging chord. So it's kind of a stretch. So then you stick your second finger, your second finger, that one, and you stick it on the 3rd string on the 2nd fret. So remember, this one's 5th string, 1st fret. This one is 3rd string, 2nd fret. And now we're gonna stick our 3rd finger, and we're gonna stick it all the way on the 2nd string on the 3rd fret. So this is kind of, it's a little bit of a stretch if you have tiny hands, but once you get the hang of it, you just keep learning this and try to keep just stretching your hand out, and it should sound like this. Don't be worried if it sounds a little strange at first. Once you get used to it and how you're supposed to play it, you'll be able to do it in no time. So on that note, let's go to the second chord, which is G. Okay, so the G chord, the G chord is a little simpler, but it's still a little bit of a stretch if you have small hands again. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your 3rd finger and you're gonna stick it on the 3rd fret right here, and you're gonna stick it on the 6th string right here, like this, like that. Yes, okay. And then you're gonna stick your middle finger and you're gonna stick it all the way on the other side of the string. You're gonna do the exact same thing. So it should look kind of like this. Your middle finger on the 1st string, 3rd fret. So it's just the same thing. Then your middle finger to finish off the chord will be on the 2nd fret on the 2nd string, like this. And it should sound like this. Now again, it doesn't have to sound like that at first, but this is the finger form for the G chord. Okay, now our last and final chord will be the E minor chord, and that just takes 2 fingers, 1 and 2. Yeah, 1 and 2, and it's on the same fret, so the 2nd fret here, and you take your first finger and you put it on the 2nd string on the 2nd fret. Then you take your middle finger and you stick it on the same fret right here on the third string. And it's E minor. See? Okay. Now that we've done all three, let's just review. So C, 1, 2, 3, like this. And G, and G, so let's do it in review. So C will be 1, 1, 1. So C in review will be 1, 2, 3. And G will be 1, 2, 3, right here. Or I should say 1, 2, 3. There we go. And then E minor is just 1, 2. All right. So eventually you're gonna learn how to transition with these chords. So now we're gonna sing a little song. I'll play it really slow. I'm pretty sure you guys know this song. It's very easy, very simple, and it just uses these 3 chords. But it does use a D. You don't have to use a D. I'll do another video, maybe sometime later, on how to play the D chord. It just goes like this. It's a very simple chord, but it'll be part of the song. But mostly the songs use E minor, C, and G. Very simple song. Just strum with your thumb if it's much easier, but it's gonna speed a little bit up. There, here we go. I am a lost boy from Neverland, usually hanging out with Peter Pan, and in my board we play in the woods, always on the run from Captain Hook. Run, run, lost boy, they say to me, away from all love, reality. Neverland is home to lost boys like me, and lost boys like me are free. Neverland is home to lost boys like me, and lost boys like me are